Hello guys, it's Yasin from GSM Web Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to disable your driver signatures on your Windows 10 operating system. It will be a really simple tutorial, so let's get started. So first, we'll head to our Windows menu. Then we press our power button. We right click it, Then before pressing our restart button, we'll find the shift key on our keyboard, which is this one. Then we press them at the same time. Please make sure you press them at the same time. As you can see, we didn't press them at the same time, and our computer is restarting, so we need to do it again. But if you get it at the first time, right? As I'm recording with the phone, so it's hard for me to press them at the same time. Yeah, we'll do it again. So as we said again, we go to the Windows menu, Then we right click the power button. And then we press the restart button and the shift button at the same time. As you can see, we did get the option now. So it's saying to us to choose an option. So we want the troubleshoot option, which is this one. You can press either the enter key or with your mouse. So we press the advanced options, and we press our startup settings. As you can see now, we have our startup settings, but we will need to restart our PC still, or laptop. As our PC, it's my PC which I'm restarting. As you can see, we did get some options: enable debugging, enable boot logging, enable low resolution video, enable safe mode, etc. So we need our disable drive signatures enforcement. So there is like some numbers, starts from 1 to all the way to 9, but we will need number 7, which is this one. Disable driver signature enforcement. Sorry guys. So we will press F7. Instead of using numbers, we use F keys. So F7. That's it. We've disabled our driver signatures. I hope you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe or like and comment and share with your friends, please. And there is more to come. Thank you guys.